Alright, let's look at the next problem. Lila is baking cookies with her mom. She needs to fit 20 cookies on the baking pan. Draw an array to show how the cookies could be arranged on the baking pan. Write an equation to match your array. You could have drawn your array with 5 rows with 4 in each row and written 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or you might have drawn your array with 4 rows and 5 in each row and written 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or you might have drawn your arrays with 10 rows, 2 in each row, and written 2 plus 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 2 equals 20. Or you could have done 2 rows, 10 in each row, and then 10 plus 10 equals 20. Or you possibly could have done 1 row of 20 or 1 column of 20. But most likely you did one of these 4. One of these 4 that I showed you. Okay, to draw an equation, or not an equation, they have the equation. Draw an array that matches the equation. Remember, when you're drawing arrays, you have got to make them even and equal. So if I'm doing 3, I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, and then how many times am I going to do 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rows of 3. So I want to make them equal and lined up. I don't want to draw my other 3 going over here and then another 3 going over here. Arrays are nice and even, boys and girls. So let me fix this. So there's 3 that I'm going to draw. Remember, I line up my rows and my columns. And another group of 3. You could also do X's for your arrays if you wanted to. Let's see again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I need another row. And 1 more row. I have 6 rows of 3. And then my sum equals, how many do I have? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. All right. If I had an array that matched the equation 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, show me what would happen if I added 2 more rows and another column. Draw the new array and write the equation that would match the array. So first I want to draw this array. I'm going to draw X's because it's easier to draw an X with these markers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many rows do I have? I have 3 rows of 4. So first I'm modeling this array. All right, now it says I have to add 2 more rows. So now that I've written the first array, I'm going to add my 2 more rows. 1, 2, and I'm going to fill those in. 2 more rows of 4. Again, I could also use circles to do my array. Then I have to add another column. So now I'm going to add in my other column. What is my new equation going to be? Let's see. How many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And how many is that all together? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Good job, guys. All right, look at this row of, or look at the rows of snowmen. Which of the following equations could be used to find the total number of snowmen? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So you could use the equation. Sorry guys, my thing isn't moving down. Let me go back to where we were. You could do 5 plus 5 plus 5. You could also do, let's see, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could either do B or C, or B and C. And again, tricky question because there's 2 answers, but it says which of the following equations. So there's going to be more than one answer. All right, last set of questions. Use the graph to answer the questions. What kind of a pet is the least popular? That's right. Some people would have put turtles because that's one, but if you look, how many like snakes? None of them like snakes. So snakes is going to be the least. Which one is the most popular? Fish, because you have 8 liking fish. Then how many dogs and cats are there in all? When we see the words in all, what does that tell us to do? You got it, add. So we're going to add those numbers together. For dogs and cats, we have 4 dogs, 7 cats. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Good math thinking. What is the difference between the greatest number of pets and the least number of pets? When we see that word difference, that tells us that we have to subtract. So the greatest was 8. The least was 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8. Good job. So you guys have all the information for the study guide. If you have any questions or anything that you really don't understand, I will meet with you tomorrow and I'll go over any questions you guys might have because we're going to do some review on Tuesday. What I want you to do for the rest of the math time, now that you have the correct answers, I want you guys, I'm going to put an assignment on Seesaw, and it's about candies, and you can work on that assignment. So I hope y'all have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.